नमस्कार. As we all know that Chhat Puja is going on, Chhat Puja चल रही है. आज third day है. Today we enter the third day, which is a long fasting phase of 36 hours will start now. जो नहीं जानते उनके लिए छठ पूजा क्या है, ये एक हिंदू फेस्टिवल है जो नेपाल और इंडिया में स्पेशली बिहार, यूपी, झारखंड में मनाया जाता है. इट इज़ अ प्रेयर ऑफ सूर्य देवता एंड छठी माई. छठी माई जो है वो प्रकृति और सूर्य की बहन है, सिक्स्थ फॉर्म ऑफ प्रकृति एंड सूर्य सिस्टर. नाउ ये कब पड़ता है? दिवाली के 6 दिन बाद. इट्स अ 4 day फेस्टिवल. नाउ ये क्यों सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है? तो ऑफर ग्रैटिट्यूड towards the sun god for sustaining healthy and happy life on earth, for well-being of children as well as the family members. And the important parts of it are that it's celebrated over 4 days. The first day is usually Nahai Khai, in which they take a bori bath and have a single special meal. The second day is Kharna, where it's a 1 day long fast. At the end of the day, you can have your meals. The third day onwards, your 36-hour fast starts. That is today. Now from here, people have to be very careful who is supposed to fast, who is not supposed to fast. The third day is Sandhya Arghya, in which the evening prayers are offered to Sun God at the sunset. And tomorrow will be the Usha Arghya, when the sunrise prayers will be offered to Sun God. So the fasting will only break by tomorrow morning, which is also or less Paran. Now, why am I talking on this? What is the precaution that we have to take? Now, non-fasting is necessary for pregnant and elderly people and chronic medically ill patient जिनको तकलीफ है फास्ट रहना. Pregnant people, elder people and chronic medically ill patients should avoid fasting. Before people get into fasting, they should hydrate really well. And especially before the 36 hours fasting, hydrate really well. अच्छे से पानी पीना चाहिए, अच्छे से खाना खाना चाहिए. They should take a big complex carbohydrate meal the previous day before the third day starts. And the breaking of fast that will happen tomorrow morning, to कल व्रत तोड़ना जो कल होगा, that should happen really slowly. They should go easy, should take simple food, light food, go easy on spicy and oily food initially, then take a simple thekua and break the fast. And what about other safety measures? There'll be a lot of rush at the cart and water bodies. So it's better to occupy the place early, reach early, and avoid the slippery areas. If the water is too